Michael was shot in the street, murdered by fucking police. Sisters and brothers, the fathers, the mothers, the streets are beginning to weep. Innocent brothers who covered in color, it seem like we die every week. Fuck it, I'm Malcolm X, my people in critical need of a speech. Should I be worried? Should I be worried to walk out the door? Please do not shoot me, please do not shoot me, I'm going to the store. My mama be worried, she just expecting for me to come home. The world is too crazy, the reason my daughter gets schooling at home. My city in pain, my niggas in pain, the world is in pain. How much more pain do we gotta contain? How much more pain do we gotta contain? I pray that one day all this shit gonna change. My city in pain, my niggas in pain, the world is in pain. How much more pain do we gotta contain? How much more pain do we